The next feature is no more auto naming convention. So how we can see that? Previously it was very, tricky, or we can say that bad feature given by the Salesforce. Now in this release, Winter 25, no more auto naming, because once you enter something here, right, it's automatic comes here. But at the time of, taking any standard element, let's say create, update, delete any DML1, so it's automatic comes like create, records by default, and it's like label as well, API as well. Okay, it was previously like that, but for now in this release there is no more auto naming convention. So how we can see that? So under here in the create element, or let me add the create element or any element as you have, like create element. Once you clicked on this one, immediately you cannot see any auto naming convention. Previously it was automatic appear here like create, record, something like that, but in this release you cannot see any auto naming convention. Okay, this is the another feature.